Nature is good for you. How do you feel about nature? After spending hours indoor, do you often feel like going outside for a walk? Or if you work for hours at your desk, do you feel better when you take a break and visit your local park? Most people think that nature is good for you. It's good for your bodies and good for your brains. However, humans are spending more time inside and less time outside. For example, the number of visitors to Canada's national parks is going down every year, and in countries such as the USA, only 10% of teenagers spend time outside every day. Many doctors feel that this is a problem in the 21st century and that is making your physical health worse. As a result, some doctors are studying the connection between nature and health. One example of this is the work of Dr. Matilda van den Bosch in Sweden. The doctor gave two groups of people a math test. During the test, the heart rate of people in both groups increased. After the test, one group of people sat in a 3D virtual reality room with pictures and sounds of nature for 15 minutes. Later, their heart rates were slower than the heart rates of people in the other group. The virtual contact with nature helped these people feel more relaxed. Another good example of how nature is a good for health comes from Canada. In Toronto, researchers studied 30 31,000 people living in cities overall. They found that people who lived near parks were healthier. Because of studies like this, some countries and cities want nature to be part of people's everyday life. In Dubai, for example, there are plans for a new shopping mall with a large garden, so shoppers can relax outside with trees, plants, and water. In some countries, such as Switzerland, forest schools are popular. School children study their subjects in the forest and do lots of exercise outside. And South Korea is another good example. It has new forests near its cities, and around 13 million people visit these forests every year. So, after building cities for so long, perhaps it's now time to start rebuilding nature.